Hi, my name is Joe Powell, a technology-focused trainer with the ITAM Academy. Welcome to our 2-minute tech tips for IT asset management professionals. In this episode, we will look at some ways agentless ITAM tools collect information and data from your estate. So, if you cannot install agents on your computers, or you just need to gather an initial list of devices to start you off, this is where Agentless Discovery comes in. Unlike agent-based tools, agentless tools rely on data gathering processes built into your device's operating system or internet standards to provide the information they need. Some of these processes or protocols are well established, such as SNMP or the ICMP protocol. We usually use the ping part of the ICMP protocol to see if a device is active. Other protocols have been implemented by different manufacturers, such as SSH, used by Linux or Unix, and WMI, used by Microsoft. These additional protocols gather more specific information from an operating system than the internet standard ones alone. One of the many things to bear in mind is while Agentless Discovery will get you some very useful information, you have to consider the security side of how these protocols work, in that they can only get a small subset of information available without compromising the security of an end device. They are not designed to fully dig into an operating system remotely and securely. So, in summary, use Agentless Discovery to find out what you have on your network in a quick and easy fashion. Then consider using agent-based tools to gather richer information. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more 2-minute tech tips from the ITAM Academy.